maganda pa rin ang boss. Basahin mo yung sinasabi ni Banole. Ang code, i-ready mo na. Oh, no!
Ano daw?
I love you. I-ready mo na yung code today. Oh, no! Anyway, thank you so much sa inyo, guys. Ha? Maraming salamat po.
Si ate Kuya Banoy. You're my angel. Bagong riban. Hindi Mahal magpa-riban.
Oo nga. Thank you so much, guys. Ha? Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you, Kuya Bano.
Thank you, guys. Ha? Maraming salamat. May 30 minutes pa tayo.
Nice naman, all 30 minutes.
Kaya pa ba ng power?
Kaya!
Okay, kaya yan. Outside the rain begins, and it may never will. So cry no more on the shore of dream. Will take us out to sea. Forevermore, forevermore. Close your eyes, my dear, and you can be with me. Neath the waves, through the caves of arms, long forgotten now. We're all alone. We're all alone. Close the window, come the light, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it out, let it all begin. Learn how to pretend. Shout out na yun, Ice. Thank you so much po. What's a strong stone? It can't help but grow old. Roses too, lovers too, so cast your seasons to the wind. And hold me dear, oh, hold me dear. Close the window, come the light, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. It all begins. Forgotten now. We're all alone. All alone. Close the window, come the light, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it out, let it all begin. Throw it to the wind. Thank you so much, Patsal. Thank you. Of course, Pakuwagiri ko co-host ko yan. This vlog. Alam mo, kanina kung may basa tayo, bawing-bawi naman ngayon, as in. Diba? Pansin mo? Kung may basa tayo kanina, bawing-bawi naman ngayon.
Oo. Kaya
O, diba? Thank you so
ayaw
much
niya sa
po.
boses ko. Pakialam ko ba kung ayaw mo sa boses ko? Bakit ba?
Si Bano, oh. Si
Problemahin ko pa ba yun?
Marami. Wala kayong problema sa buhay, okay? For real. Thank you so much, Patsal 619-619. Patsal, thank you so much, Patsal. Alam mo si Patsal, sa ano lang ito nakilala ko sa screencast. Sa screencast lang ito.
Talaga?
Ayan, lagi siya sa,
Very supportive naman.
Thank you so much, Patsal. Thank you.
Ay,
Check the label, mommies.
sorry naman. Nakaano pala yun?
Okay. Ano ba natin?
Ari lang.